Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope everyone's having a wonderful Wednesday. It's been a while since I've done a YouTube video. If you check out my channel, I've done lots of shorts and stuff like that. I'm just helping folks in our community. We're having a great trading week. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. All that other good stuff. But I wanted to show you this. I wanted to do a quick video, and then I'll get back to my team and trading and stuff like that. So for those that are familiar with me and the trading that we've been doing for almost 8 years as a community, we obviously teach smart money. And of course, we introduced the impulse scanner, which helps a lot of folks try to see smart money moves. We have a couple scalping strategies, an intraday trading strategy, etc. But I kind of wanted to show the power of the impulse scanner and the power of smart money moves, okay? So this is a 4-hour chart. Now, I'm not allowed to show you lot size. We have to be compliant. I'm not a financial counselor. This is for educational purposes only. So we're not allowed to show you the lot size and the money because our platform that we're associated doesn't allow us to. But I wanted to show you this trade that I have been in since July 2nd. Okay? Yes, July 2nd. I got in here. This is a 4-hour candle. Okay? And now I'm up to here. Okay? I'm good at math. 23.22. We're at 24.74 and going up. We're hit a little bit of a zone here that might be a little pushback. We'll see how it plays out. This is where my stop loss is. But here's the important lesson of this video, right? Is the market and the impulse scanner that we utilize is helps with trend direction. And when you know trend direction, right, and it's not going to reverse for a longer term move, then you can find opportunities no matter what strategy you're focused on. So, for example, this is a longer term move that most people won't utilize. I have, just because I have experience, but that's not really what's important about this video. It's about no matter what strategy that you're using with our trading team, the Impulse Scanner Smart Money, you are looking to get in on the pullbacks, right? So I saw this particular area as, I can probably widen this just a little bit, as to potentially fill this imbalance right here, okay? So that's what I was looking for, and I was pretty convinced it was going to go up based on my analysis. So once I got in, remember these are 4-hour candles, everything is about pullbacks, right? And if you know how to place your stop loss, see my stop loss is here. It's 24.51, I think, and it's almost a couple hundred pips, between where the entry is now to give a little room for a pullback, and that's the purpose of this video, right? Pullbacks, right? So I get in, fill in that imbalance that I showed you, consolidation, boom, then there's a pullback. Right? So instead of having my stop loss up here, I had it down here because I sensed a longer term trend moving market, and this is for gold. And I was pretty sure that this is going to be a temporary pullback. It consolidated, and then it shot back up. Then there was another pullback, and then it went back up. And then there was a pullback, then it went up. You see the common theme here? Then there was a pullback, then it went up. Then it was a pullback, then it went up. Then a little consolidation, and now boom. And then we'll see what it does here. So any trading that you do, it is about getting in on the pullbacks, filling in balance, and riding that. And the key part is, if your goal for that day is, 100 pips, 50 pips, whatever the goal is, that's perfectly fine. But if you play the long game and you know that there's going to be pullbacks, then you don't have to have your stop loss so tight, right? And I didn't have it tight. I probably, let's see, I had it at 23.22. I probably had it about, a couple hundred pips, right? I had it right about here, right? Even when it was up here, because I expected a pullback, and then it took off, and then there's a couple more pullbacks. So no matter what strategy you are focused on, you must, as far as your trading plan, be ready for pullbacks, right? You can get more pips. You can continue the trade. If your goal is, hey, 20 pips, I'm done for the day, right? Because we have people that, we have a couple scalping strategies that we have in our community. Perfectly fine. Excellent. Outstanding. We have people crushing it, right? But if you're really, really good, even on the scalping strategy that we have, on maximizing where your stop loss is, then you can get the longer term move. So I've been in this trade since July 2nd. And for anybody that's paying attention that sees this video from 6 months from now, it is July 17th. 15 days. Okay? That's it. If you want more information on how to join our trading team, we have Smart Money. We also have the Impulse Scanner, which is absolutely mind-blowing. It helps you determine trend. It helped me determine this trend. And just reach me, and I can give you all the details, all the extra support and resources that you get. We're a team going on 8 years. That's it. I got to get back to my team. Have a great day, everybody. Take care.